Good morning, and thank you for tuning into your daily operations weather brief for Friday, August 17th. We're seeing another morning of some abundant upper level cloudiness, but otherwise we are going to be seeing a dry day under partly sunny skies. It is going to be the hottest day of the week today, with those temperatures approaching the mid-90s across the region. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the region, we do have high pressure continuing to be in control this morning, continuing to give us some subsidence, which will suppress any rain chances throughout today. We are going to have some good moisture advection into the area, as well as some strong southwesterly flow continuing. That's going to continue to usher in a very warm and humid air mass. And like I had said, today is going to be the warmest day of the region, partially aided with a front approaching from the west, which will help to compress the atmosphere a bit, allowing those temperatures to bump up 1 or 2 degrees. So expect a very hot and humid day today, with heat indexes near 100 to 105 degrees as we go towards the late morning hours into this afternoon. Taking a look at our observation loop here, we're just seeing some light south to southwesterly winds this morning across the region. Haven't really picked up too much. We are going to see southwesterly winds as we go later this morning pick up a bit to around 8 to 13 knots, maxing out near 9 to 14 knots as we go towards this afternoon from the south, as we get perhaps a little bit of a sea breeze pushing in the mid to late afternoon hours. Otherwise, we're just going to be seeing continued abundant upper level cloudiness streaming ahead of our next weather system, currently well to the east, and it is going to be, like I said, a very hot day today. As of 8 a.m., we are seeing a few clouds at 18,000 feet, broken deck of cirrus near 25,000 feet. Winds were from azimuth 200 at 5 knots with a temperature of 82 degrees. Taking a look at our weather chart for today, just going to be seeing the thread of those heat indexes about 100 to 105 degrees as we go towards late this morning, this afternoon, with that high reaching 93. Winds are going to max out from the south or south-southwest around 9 to 14 knots this afternoon before becoming southwesterly at 7 to 12 knots overnight, and then we'll see a slow increase by mid-morning Saturday at 8 to 13 knots from the southwest. We are going to be seeing a very muggy, humid night tonight, with the low only reaching down to 78, maybe even struggling to get down to that, depending on if those southwesterly winds stay a little bit higher. We are going to be seeing a front cross north of the area. It looks like the best dynamics are going to remain north and west of the area, with that actual front still remaining north and west as well. So not looking like we're getting any sort of a real chance of any rain showers here at Wallops. Can't rule out about a 5 to 10% chance of an isolated shower popping up between about 8 p.m. and midnight, but right now that looks very unlikely. So it does look like we're going to remain dry tonight. Could be seeing a slightly higher chance of a stray isolated shower up near the Salisbury area, but even up there, it's looking not so likely for any rain chances tonight. Taking a look at our terminal forecast for today, it's going to be mainly continuing to see that upper level cloudiness around 25,000 feet. Very similar taft to yesterday, as we'll see a couple of lower level clouds near 3,000 or 4,000 feet pop up as we go towards the late morning hours into this afternoon. Then as we go into this afternoon, we'll see a mid-level layer around 15,000 feet be introduced, and that's going to be the story throughout the night. By tomorrow in the mid-morning, we'll see a few clouds near 1,000 feet, few at 2,500, and then some scattered to broken mid-level decks with that continued upper-level cirrus deck at 25,000 feet. For tomorrow, going to be another warm and humid day across the region with a high of 90. That front is going to slowly sag down across the area as some upper-level energy approaches. It looks like for the most part we will be seeing some good sunshine, with the exception of that upper-level cirrus. For much of the day Saturday, we will be seeing a chance of some pop-up showers or storms as early as the mid-afternoon hours, but it looks like our best chance for seeing some more widespread or scattered showers and storms is going to be after about 6 p.m. tomorrow, as we get that front moving closer to the area, and that's going to help to spark off storms across portions of the mid and southern Delmarva. We'll see those storms linger early in the evening Saturday night. Could see the chance of some lingering showers throughout the whole night. It's not, which is entirely possible. Looks like the best chance, though, will be before midnight on Saturday night. Still looking at a very muggy low of 77. And on Sunday, that front is going to be very slow to move across the region. It looks like on Sunday it's going to stall out across southern portions of the Delmarva, and that's going to continue our chances for scattered showers and thunderstorms. It does look like there could be a pretty decent piece of shortwave energy with that upper level trough moving across the area Sunday, so can't rule out seeing some heavier thunderstorms on Sunday as that piece of energy moves across the region. So don't think it's going to be a total washout Sunday. We will still be seeing some patchy sunshine in the area, but it is going to be continuing to be warm with that those rain chances across the entire weekend. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for a full weather briefing and extended outlook. Have a great day.